Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are learning money. Okay children, and yesterday we have started our exercise. We have completed 5 or 6 questions. Today we are going to complete that exercise. Okay children, so before that I would like to welcome you in your maths video class once again. Okay children, so today date is 7th September 2021. This is your maths class 3. Okay children, now we are going to, your chapter name is money, as you all know children, and we are doing exercise number 7.2, and we have completed 6 questions of it. So children, today we are going to complete this exercise, and after that we will start the another exercise. Okay, so children, let's start. 6 questions we have completed. Today we are going to do 7 number. So now in 7 number it is written, here you can see it is written rupees 0.95. It means 95 paisa. So here this is convert the following rupees into paise. The exercise is based on convert the following rupees into paise. Okay, convert the following rupees into paise. So here 0.95 is there. Here children, when we are write solution, we will see that here rupees 0.95 equal to rupees 0 and 95 paise. Okay, so what we will do children, because 0 rupees is there, so we are not going to convert into paise. So because this is 0 paise, okay, and here 95 paise is there, so how can we convert this? So we will write only children 95 paise. Okay, so we will write in the answer 95 paise children. So here children, we will write 95 paise. This is our answer. Okay, so just complete it children. Now we are going to do our next number, that is number 8. Here you can see rupees 0.5. Again, here you can see none rupees is there. So what we will do children, let's see. Okay children, so 7 number you have done. Now 8 number I am going to write over here. 8 number is rupees 0.05 children. Rupees 0.05. This is your question. Now solution we will write. What we will write children? Solution over here, rupees 0.05 equal to rupees 0 and 5 paise. So because rupees है ही नहीं यहाँ पर, so what we will do, we will write only 5 paise. Answer, we will write 5 paise only. Okay, only 5 paise is there, so that is why we will write 5 paise. Okay, now here 7 and 8 we have done. Now children, we are going to learn, अभी तक हमने सीख लिया कि हम रुपीस को पैसे में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे। अब हमें सीखना है कन्वर्जन पैसे इनटू रुपीस। पैसे विल बी गिवन एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल कन्वर्ट इनटू रुपीस। हाउ कैन वी डू? लेट्स लर्न। अब हम लोग कन्वर्ट करना सीखेंगे पैसे को रुपए में, ठीक है। अभी तक हमने रुपीस टू पैसे वी हैव लर्न and this exercise was based on that. What we have done, we just multiply with 100 because 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. That is why the total amount of rupees we will multiply, then we will get the answer in paise. Okay, that we have done. Now we are going to start to learn how to convert पैसे इंटू रुपीस। अब हम लोग सीखने जा रहे हैं पैसे को कैसे रुपीस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। नाउ चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स लर्न हाउ टू कन्वर्ट पैसे इंटू रुपीस। ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो फॉर दिस आई हैव टू रिमूव नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न कन्वर्जन पैसे इंटू रुपीस। पैसे इंटू रुपीस, ठीक है। अब कन्वर्जन हम करेंगे पैसे इंटू रुपीस में। ओके बेटा, नाउ चिल्ड्रन लेट्स सी फर्स्ट व्हाट वी विल डू। अभी हमें पता ही है, वी ऑल नो दैट ones, tens and 100. All is clear to you. Okay, so first of all, when the paise, we will see first. Suppose if it is written 900, so we will see this digit and we will divide into ones, tens and 100. Okay, first we are going to separate the digit into ones and tens. When we will separate the ones and tens, then we will see which number is coming at the ones place, which number is coming at the tens place or 100 place. So that is how we can do the things separate, and after that we can separate the rupees or paise from the rupees, because paise is always given in the hundreds or thousands. So that is why we have to write first and then we are going to separate this accordingly. Then we will find rupees in a arranged manner. So first what we will do, suppose we have to convert, this is only and only example children, convert 12. Here you can see convert 1215 paise into rupees. Okay, it is simple children. So what we will do? First we will do over here, we will write 1215. Now here what we will say, we will see this is 1200, 1215. So we will write 1200 paise and plus 15 paise. So here children 1215 is written over here. So here 1200 paise over here and 15 paise. Okay. So we have already separated it, is because this is 1200 and this is 15 paise. Now what we will do children, and we will write here 12 rupees 12 and 15 paise. Very easily you can separate. 1200 paise it become 12 rupees and now 15 paise will remain 15 paise. Now we will write in the short form. So rupees 12.15 paise. So that is how we can do this. Here you can see, children. Conversion paise into rupees. First we will separate this number into hundreds, thousand, whatever the things, tens, ones, whatever the things is there. So we will just separate it. Because 1215 is there, so that is why 1200 first we will separate, then 15 plus 15 paise, here rupees 12 become, because if we will multiply 12 200 we will get 1200. So that is how we can convert into the rupee also. So here 12 rupees, and now what is remaining? 15 paise. So that is why we will write over here 12.15 paise. It is simple, children. First you just remember why this is coming 12.15, because we are dividing 12 rupees with 100 paise. So that is why answer will become 1200 paise, and plus 15 is there, so this is 15 paise. Okay, so that is how we can do. Now if we will see the next example, this is example number 1. Now we will see example number 2, children. Convert 907 paise. 907 paise into rupees. Okay. Now first of all we will see this 907. 907 paise, okay, equal to 900 पैसे, ठीक है. उसके बाद 7 is there, plus 7 पैसे. So here 900 will become equal to rupees 9 and 7 paise. We will write in short form rupees 9.07 paise. Okay, simply we will do, children. Nothing is tough over here. You just simply do. Okay, because 907 is there. So that is why if we will multiply 9 to 100, we will get 900. So that is how we can do. We will write 900 paise first, then plus 7 paise, because 907 is there. So that is how we can convert into rupees 9 and 7 paise. So here, children, rupees 9.07 paise. Clear? I hope this is clear, children. This is not very tough thing. Only you have to convert it. You just separate to hundreds to ones. So that is how you can do this. Okay? You always get the rupees in 100. Okay? Because you are dividing, you are multiplying by 100. That is why you are getting 100. Okay? So let's start our exercise. Conversion, paise into rupees. Okay, children? We will do exercise number 7.3, children. 7.3 we are going to start. Convert the following paise into rupees. Convert the following paise into rupees. Okay. Up convert the following paise into rupees. This is the exercise. Now one number is 900 paise. Now children, it is simple. 900 paise if it is written, so we will write solution over here. Solution we will write first. What we will do? 900 paise equal to, what we will do, children? Here 900 paise, so here 900 paise equal to rupees 9 Okay, equal to rupees 9 because 900 paise is there. So that is why rupees 9 we will get. Okay, so we will write rupees 9 only. Okay, nothing paisa will be there. You can write 00. So that is how you can do. Okay, completed children? This is number 1 that we have done. Okay, so completed children? Rupees 9. This is the answer. Now we will do our next one. Next exercise we are going to do, children, that is second number. Second number is 1200 paise. We have to convert into rupees. First of all, solution we will write. Solution we will write, children. 1200 paise equal to 1200 पैसे. ठीक है, रुपीज़ 12. ओके, रुपीज़ 12 इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 12. Okay, here you can write 0. So that is how we can do. Simple thing, because paise is not there, only 12 rupees are there. So that is why this is the answer. So 1 and 2 just complete it, and after that we will do number 3. Okay, complete this, take a screenshot. Now we are going to do number 3, children. Okay children, चलिए बच्चों, now we are going to do third number. Third number question of exercise 3.7.3. Okay, third number question. Here you can see 635 paise. Okay, so here solution we will write 635 paise equal to 600 plus 600 paise and 35 paise. So here rupees 6 and 35 paise. Now we will write in the short form. So we will write rupees 6 and 35 paise. Rupees 6 and 35 paise we will write, children. So complete it. Rupees 6 और 0 आप नहीं लगाना चाहते, you can't, just don't write 0. If you don't want to write 0, you can remove this 0. You just write rupees 6.35 paise. Okay, so that is how you can do our third number. Now children, after that we will do number 4. At number 4 you can see 910 paise. Okay, so complete this. Number 3 complete this. Now we will do number 4. Number 4 children. At number 4 you can see 910 paise. 910 paise. Now this we are going to write solution. 910 paise equal to 900 paise plus 10 paise. 900 paise plus 10 paise. Okay, equal to rupees 9 and 10 paise equal to rupees 9, 10 paise. So that is how we can do 9 rupees 10 paise. Okay, this is number 4. Completed, children? Completed. Now number 5 we are going to do 1415 paise. Okay, 1415 paise. You just complete it, solution, you just write it, take a screenshot. Okay, now 5 number we are going to do, children. 5 number, it is written over here, that is 1415. It means 1415 paise. Okay, solution 1415 paise equal to 1400 paise plus 15 paise equal to rupees 14 and 15 paise equal to rupees 14.15 paise. So complete this. Okay, complete this, children. This is number 5 we have done. Now we are going to do 6 number. Take a screenshot, 6 number. At 6 number you can see 98, 05. It means 980, 805. It means 9805 paise. Okay. Now solution. 9805 paise equal to, we will do over here 9800 plus 5 paise. This is also paisa. Now we will do, children, 98 rupees and 5 paise equal to rupees 98.05 paise. So that is how we will do 9805 paise. It means 98 rupees and 5 paisa. You just write it down, 98 rupees and 5 paise. Okay, rupees 98 and 5 paisa. This number 6 we have completed. Take a screenshot. Now we are going to do, children, 7 number. Just complete it. 7 number. At 7 number you can see 5005 5005 paise. ठीक है, 5005 paise. Here you can see, children, solution we will write. Solution we will write 5005 paise, okay, equal to 500, okay, 5000 actually, 5,000 पैसे प्लस 5 पैसे, ओके, प्लस 5 पैसे इक्वल टू 50 रुपीज़ 50 प्लस 5 पैसे, okay, so here rupees 50.05 paise. This is the answer, children. Complete this children. Okay, now we have done number 7. Now we are going to do number 8, children. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8 is 909. 909 पैसे, ठीक है, 909 पैसा. Solution we will write 909 पैसे equal to 900 पैसे plus 9 पैसे, okay, equal to rupees 9 plus 09 पैसे equal to rupees, sorry, and okay. Now here children you can write 9 rupees point 09 paise. 9 rupees 9 and 09 paise, children. Just write it down, children. 9 rupees 9 and 9 paisa. Okay, so complete it. Now we have completed 8 questions of this exercise. Now we are going to learn addition of money. How we are going to add money, children. So it is as simple as we have done addition in our previous chapters. Similarly, we will do this in this video also. So addition without regrouping first we will do, and after that we will do with regrouping. Okay, so this is without regrouping. So children, after doing this, we are going to learn about addition of money. Complete it, take a screenshot. Now we are going to learn addition of money, children. Addition of money, children. अभी हम लोग सीखेंगे एडिशन करना. एडिशन सबको पता है, one number is there and one number is there, we just going to add this, nothing else. Similarly we will do in this also. Okay children, so this is quite simple for you. Now addition without regrouping, we will start first. Addition without regrouping. So I don't think that you are not noticed this, because we have done earlier in our chapters addition. Addition was our first chapter. So we have already done regrouping without regrouping. Everybody knows this. So we are not going to remind this, because this is so simple. When we are adding this, the sum will be come. So here children, if we are going to add, example I am going to give you first. If you are going to add rupees 25, add rupees 25 point, it means rupees 25 and 20 paisa. Rupees 25 and 20 paise, children. Okay, and rupees 9 point yani rupees 9 and 78 paise. So how can we add this? Let's learn, children. Solution, we will write first. How can we write? This is only and only example, children. We are not doing exercise. Add paise to paise. The concept of adding, first you will add paise to paise, then we will add rupees to rupees. Because after the point, first you will write rupees, then we will write paise. So first we will start from the paise. So first we will add paise and then we will add rupees. So अब यहाँ पे देखिए क्या करना है हमें, क्या करना है देखिए, rupees and paise. First we will write rupees and paise. So here 25 and here 20. Okay. Now फिर क्या है 9 and then 78. If we are going to add this, what we will get, children? Now here 0 plus 8 we will get 8. 7 plus 2 we will get 9. And after that 9 and 5, 10, 11, 12 and 13 and 14. 14 we will get, 1 will be carry over. Okay, 1 will be carry over. Now this is 2 plus 1 is 3. ठीक है, 3 हो गया. अब ये हो गया 34, 98. First we have done. Now, or you can do rupees like, so you will do first ऐसे करिए या ऐसे करिए, इसमें ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप लिखिए ही. और इधर 9 पॉइंट या 0 यहाँ कर लीजिए, जो भी आप चाहते हैं. इफ़ यू डोंट राइट, जस्ट डोंट राइट इट. एंड हियर 78. Similarly we will do 8, 9, point will be there, 4 and here 3. So we will get the, put a sign of. You can do like this also, you can do like this also. So write the amounts with points, one below the other, then add the numbers. So what we will get? Therefore sum is rupees 34. Okay, rupees 34.98 paise. So here therefore sum is rupees 34.98 paise. So children, it is simple as we were doing in our earlier classes also. So children, we will do exercise based on addition. Okay. So children, we will see this in our next video. Till then, bye bye and take care, and practice it. What we have learned, how to convert rupees to paise and paise to rupees, just practice on that. So we will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care.